Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana Alicia, and if you do like to talk all things locks, lifestyle, and family, if that is and mental health, if that is something that interests you, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. So this will be my 6-month lock update, and let's just say I'm very happy with my hair up until this point. So there's only a few changes that I've done this month, not that much, so this is going to be a fairly short video. So let's just get straight into it. So the one main thing that I am changing, sorry y'all, I'm still talking kind of crazy because I got my wisdom teeth out and this side of my face is still a little bit swollen, so excuse me. But the one thing that I did change, that's the main thing, is that I have decided that I am going to strictly just interlock my hair from now on. Mainly because, as I always mention in my other videos, I do have 2 small children. So for me, it is easier to manage doing my hair, doing their hair, and doing my husband's hair by interlocking my hair so that I won't have to worry about doing maintenance too much with my hair. For me, I feel like when I retwist my hair, I often feel like I have to retwist it more often than I have to interlock. So that is the main reason why I am deciding to interlock solely. I will be doing a video pretty soon talking about the pros and cons of interlocking and retwisting, and just some of the other reasons why I've chosen to interlock solely. That will be in a separate video. The other thing that has changed with my hair is I have added another lock here. So if you're new here, I recently had a daughter a year ago, and I experienced postpartum shedding really bad. Hence was the reason why I combed out my micro locks that I had before this current set, and this side suffered really bad. So it's finally starting to grow back in, so I have been able to create a lock here. The first lock that I had created back on this side is starting to grow, so I took that weave extension out that I had right there. So it's doing pretty good. This side didn't really break off, but it is doing good as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the changes that has happened so far with my hair. I did decide that I was not going to grow out my undercut. I decided to keep my undercut, mainly because I just felt like those extra 2 or 3 rows that my husband cut off, they were just too much for me. So I decided to go ahead and keep my undercut. I'm not going to grow it out right now, but when I decide to do that, I will take you guys on that journey as well. I did do a fresh cut on my undercut yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I just shaved it off. Nothing fancy because my husband is not home, so I had to try to do this myself. And yes, the other thing that I am noticed, I mentioned this in my 5-month lock update, is that I am experiencing a lot of bunching with my set of locks this time. I don't know if it's because I started with comb coils. So although my hair looked like it has length, which it does, in certain areas, one lock can look shorter than the other one because of the bunching that I am experiencing. But I do not mind it because my hair is actually locking faster than it has with any other lock journey that I've started previous. I've done braid locks, and I've done 2-strand twists. So with both of those sets, I feel like with this set my hair is locking faster. So that's pretty much it as far as the updates go. I will see you guys next month, and sometime in between my 7th month. But now I'm just going to give you guys a little lock tour of my hair. So I will see you guys next month, and thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Brings me that
30 hertz straight up.